everybody. Merry Christmas. It's been a long time since I posted the project video, but I've just been busy with my regular day job and stuff. I ain't had time to get back to the car and filming. Let me flip this around. Alright, not too much to update on the hood here. We just redid this intake. Before I had it, it was more going over this way, and it was pushed the battery too far over, so I redid it. So it's nice and straight down. Got the filter down there. It doesn't hang real low. It's just good. You can barely see it poking down. So it'd be pretty good. Runs great. No issues. Once she's warmed up, she'll stay idling. She takes a little longer to warm up because it doesn't have a idle air control, but that's fine for racing and stuff and cruising around the street. And I picked up this new steering wheel. I picked it up at it's a Grip Royal steering wheel. I picked it up at the Freedom Factory swap meet a few months back, and yes, it was 15 bucks. And it came with the horn button. Then I got the quick release hub for under 20. You know, that's like 150 if you had to buy one. And then I just had to buy the black hub from NRG, which is about 100 bucks. And then I haven't hooked up the horn yet because I gotta make a custom harness for that. And this is how it looks when it's off. It's just hard to do one hand. That's why I had to pause it off camera to get it off and on. In the back here, we got the exhaust finished up. Had to do a little trimming, but hey, the bumper was not in that great condition anyways, but it looks good. It's a 5-inch tip, hand in there, and behind that's the 4-inch muffler, and then the muffler goes down to 2.5, and it's 2.5 full mandrel bent piping all the way to the headers, and which are 2.5 also. Today's project is working on this window. It's Saturday before Christmas Eve, and it's like 70 degrees. It's perfect. And you see the cable is broke, and it's all like ate up in there. So I picked up another one. I found a used one at a local salvage place, and for 20 bucks, you can't beat that. And I tested the warranty, so I just gotta swap it in the window. It's kind of hard to film that because there's you can't hold nothing, no hands, and I don't have a tripod for my camera. On my phone. And so we'll cut back to this. Once I finish this, I also have to put some window bushings on the window because they're gone. I'll cut back to that. I'm putting the new window bushings on. So you see I just got the one off. I just press on the new one. Not too big of a deal, and it already had a good on one side of the window. It still had a good bushing, so we'll just grease that up and we'll put these together and back on the window. I'll cut back to where we're putting the window in. And before you know it, if you got the system down how to install these, it don't take too long. So you got all new bushings installed, and we're gonna have to get the window installed. I have to wait till my son gets out and help me because it's a two-man job, kind of get the window in the rails. All right, we'll come back to that here in a second. Well, we got the window installed. There she goes. Back up, back down. Not too shabby. And then we're gonna cut back to when I get the door panel back on, and we'll go for a cruise.